Good morning from London. Listen, London is even more expensive than usual these days, but in this video, I'm gonna show you some great things you can do while you're here that are £15 per person or under. And listen, I don't mind spending a little bit of money, but I also love a really cool thing to do that doesn't happen to break the bank. So I promise these are gonna be a good recommendation. So come on, let's go see the first one. We're starting the day in Chinatown, one of my favorite areas in central London, and this is a great place to come for affordable and delicious food. I recommend coming here and having yourself a little Chinatown dessert tour. Grab a couple of friends, pool your money together, and try a bunch of the different treats you can find around the area from all of the amazing bakeries and dessert shops we have here. And let me show you a couple of my favorites. Thank you so much. I just picked up one of Chinatown's most famous desserts, a bubble waffle thumb bubble wrap. This is a new take on a popular Hong Kong street treat called egg waffles. I went for the vegan special, which has ice cream, raspberries, and chocolate sauce on it, and it's wrapped in kind of like a pancake bubble wrap thing. This bubble wrap was £7.50, and it's definitely big enough to split with a friend or two on your dessert tour. Also right behind me is Chinatown Bakery, which is like the OG bakery in this area. We stopped in and I got two of their most popular vegetarian sweet treats, a fluffy pandan cake and the classic custard bun. Both of these were only £1.60 each. I love this place because it is really buzzy, it's really affordable, and it's kind of a fun experience to go in and collect all the sweet treats and things you want to get, plop them on a tray, and then pay the till. Let's dig into this custard bun. Really light and fluffy. There's an egg-based filling on the inside, which is quite sweet. So lovely, I love these. This is the triangle pandan cake. Pandan is a plant that originates in Southeast Asia, so it's used a lot in flavoring for different treats. And this is so fluffy. Really light flavor, and there's a little bit of filling in the middle too. This is massive, so you'll definitely want to split it with whoever you're doing your dessert tour with. These three treats were just over £10, so still got some room in the £15 budget. Lots of other places you can go in Chinatown. Another personal favorite of mine, I've covered quite a lot on the channel, is Mamason's Dirty Ice Cream. It's an ice cream shop that serves this amazing Filipino treat called a bilog, which is basically a toasted ice cream sandwich. Get it with the purple ube ice cream. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. It's life-changing. One of my favorite things to do in London with my friends is to get tickets to a comedy club, and behind me is one of the best value comedy venues in all of London. This is the Top Secret Comedy Club in Covent Garden, and most nights you can get tickets here for £15 a person or less. This venue is quite well known for having really big acts come in and surprise the guests at even the most affordable shows, but the regular comedians are also really good. And if you want really cheap tickets, you can book for one of the work in progress shows, which are usually £1 or completely free. And by the way, the Top Secret Comedy Club is part of day 2 of our London itineraries, so click the link in the description box to see more about those. Here in London, we're really lucky that Here in London, we're really lucky that the majority of our most famous museums are completely free to visit. But that also means that they get incredibly crowded and you might have to queue to get inside, which personally, That's basically my worst nightmare. Instead, if you opt to spend a little bit of money, you can explore one of our amazing underrated museums throughout the city. You'll not only get to learn and explore an interesting subject, person, or building, but you'll also avoid having to elbow your way through hordes of teenagers on school trips. One of my favorite underrated museums in London is Leighton House Museum in Holland Park. It was the home of painter Frederick Leighton, and it now houses a stunning art collection in the beautiful property that you get to explore. Tickets are only £11 for adults and £5 for children. If you want some more ideas for other cool museums to visit, then watch this video that talks about exactly that next. By the way, if it's your first time visiting London, I have a free London 101 guide, which has everything you need to know before you come to the city. So make sure you click the link in the description box to get that. Again, it's for free, so make sure you do that. And now let's go back to the video. So we did a dessert crawl earlier in the day, but how about we do a little self-guided pub crawl? Now, the price of a pint of beer has gone up significantly in London recently, but we have a solution.
The half pint. Half pints are half the price and half the fun. Just kidding. But they are a cheaper way to try different beers as you pub hop. Plus, it keeps you more sober. Unless you drink 2 in the time you drink a pint, then it doesn't really. So where can you do your own little half pint pub crawl? Well, we're having this half pint, which only costs £3.45 at the 10 Bells across from the Spitalfields Market. This would be a good starting point as there are many pubs within walking distance and you could hit 4 more pubs before reaching £15. I also recommend having a watch of my London pub guide. There are some great Notting Hill pubs in that you could hop around to very easily.
A lot of tourists, when they come to London, want to go on a Jack the Ripper walking tour. The problem is that a lot of these tours are run in a pretty unethical way. A lot of them are led by tour guides who aren't historians, so they tell a lot of facts that are actually not correct. Also, there's a lot of focus on the murderer and not on the victims and their stories. In fact, a lot of them will even be quite disrespectful to the victims. So if you still want to learn about this part of history, but in a bit more of an ethical way, there is a tour called The Silent Voices of Whitechapel. You'll have a knowledgeable tour guide that will tell you actual facts, not just hearsay. You'll also learn about the amazing stories behind the victims, and you'll get to know the history and the communities in the areas of Whitechapel and Spitalfields. This tour is run by our friends at female-founded Rebel Tours. We love them, and tickets are only £15 each. So it's a great way to spend an evening at an affordable price. Click the link in the description box of the video for more information.
Now we're at one of my favorite places for a quick and affordable meal, Club Mexicana. Here they do a super fun take on Mexican food, and guess what? It's Taco Tuesday, which means that for just £15, you can get all-you-can-eat tacos for 1 full hour. And I'm an American, so you know I can shovel a lot in this gob in 60 minutes. So let's go do it. Oh, something I have not mentioned yet is that all of this goodness is totally plant-based. In fact, everything at Club Mexicana is.
Yes, stuff us. That's what I want to hear. Okay, here's the deal. The 1 hour starts as soon as you order your first tacos. We've gone for the first 2 on the menu, and there's 5 we're gonna try to get through in total, and each one comes in a trio. We've got the short rib and the al pastor to start off, and we're gonna dig in and try to eat it all within an hour with a beer. Okay, we're 40 minutes in, 20 minutes left. We are on the 3rd and 4th type of taco. We are losing steam though. We're both feeling, John and I are feeling very full. I don't know if we're gonna get to the 5th. Our hour has just gone. We are full. We did not make it to all 5 tacos, but we ate a lot of good food. We're stuffed and we're happy. Can't go wrong with £15 plus service charge, of course. If you want more tips for your trip to London, I have hundreds of videos that you can watch. So click one of the boxes right around me to see one of them.